One of the most common reasons customers reach out for help is to track the status of an order, especially if it's delayed or they're not sure when to expect it. But as a customer, it can be super frustrating to wait on hold or wait to hear back from an email. Jotform Shopify AI Agents makes this way faster by having detailed order tracking information available 24/7 right away. I'll show you how to set up your own Jotform Shopify AI agent in your Shopify store and how to enable order tracking. Let's go. Okay, our first step is going to be installing the Jotform Shopify AI Agents app. So from your Shopify dashboard, go down to Apps here on the left, just click Apps. It'll bring up this window and you want to search for Jotform. Mine comes up because I already have the app installed, but there won't be anything here if you haven't. So you can either hit enter or click search Jotform in the Shopify App Store, and that will bring you over to the Jotform AI Chatbot live chat app here. So just click install for that, which will bring you back over to Shopify. And once it installs, it'll ask you if you want to create a new AI chatbot or select an existing AI chatbot. So existing just means if you've already created a Shopify AI agent in your Jotform workspace with a Jotform account, you can select that agent here to use with this store. But if you have never made an AI agent before, don't even have a Jotform account yet, you can click create new AI chatbot and it will make you one right away. So for this example, we'll do that. So you can just click create AI chatbot here on the right. And you'll see it's creating the AI chatbot now. It's scanning your products, your brand information, all your Shopify data to learn about you, and that just takes a moment or so. Okay, and then once you have your Shopify AI agent, you can come over to the left side menu here under Jotform AI Chatbot and click AI Agent Settings. And there are several things you can change here about your AI agent within your Shopify dashboard, such as the avatar here, name, the default language, tone of voice, as well as under agent style, there's lots of different pre-made sort of color schemes for branding and things like that, which of course you can customize with your own brand colors here too, but just some nice layouts and color schemes, as well as if you want the chatbot on the left or the right of the page, things like that. There are a ton more options within your Jotform workspace, so you can always log into that by clicking Go to Jotform here at the top right, and there are tons and tons of options in there for everything from branding to layout to how your chatbot behaves to train it with some more knowledge and different things. I won't go into too much detail here because we have videos on all of those different settings, but I will show you what you need to know to make sure that order tracking is enabled for your AI agent. So for that, we're going to go to the Train Your Chatbot tab. That is here at the top, the third tab, Train Your Chatbot. Let's click on that. And you see we have all these features turned on by default, everything from product recommendations to updating the cart. And this last one here under the first section, show order status. That's what we want for order tracking. By default, all of these things should be on. And of course, you can always customize your AI agent to work the way that you want it to and help your customers the way you want it to. So for example, if you didn't want it to recommend products to people, you could toggle that one off. But personally, I think that your AI agent should have all the capabilities possible to best serve your customers. So I would recommend leaving all of these turned on unless there's a particular reason that you don't want to have a certain feature. So that's it. That's all you have to do to enable order tracking with your AI agent, just to make sure that this show order status feature is turned on. To enable your Shopify AI agent live on your website, you want to go up to the top right of most pages. Most of the setting pages have it here, but definitely on the chatbot settings page, and click Publish here at the top right. Clicking Publish takes you over to your Shopify theme editor, which of course will look different depending on your store and the theme that you're using. But you'll see an instant preview of what your chatbot will look like on your store. And so for me, I chose to have mine on the left here, this green color scheme, but of course you could have a different layout, different color scheme. There are many, many layout and branding and customization options in Jotform Workspace. If it's not showing up, you're not seeing a preview of it, what you want to do is look for the third icon on the left here, where it says app embeds. We're actually on that page right now, but for example, if you were on a different Shopify theme customizer page, you want to look for the third icon. It says app embeds, and then where it says Jotform AI Chatbot, we want to just make sure that's toggled on. Also, make sure to go to the top right and click save for your theme so that your changes are actually applied and it's ready to go for your live store. Now I'll show you what order tracking looks like for a customer. Okay, so let's say I'm a customer. I've recently placed an order with this store and I'm just wondering the status. So I'm going to go here to their website. I see they've got a Shopify AI agent and I'm like, perfect. I don't want to wait on hold on the phone forever. So I'm going to tell it track order or something similar. Okay, then it asks me for my email address and order number. So I'm going to type that in. And after just a moment, it's telling me that my order for 3 items was placed and confirmed. And it says, would you like me to provide any more details or tracking information? Yes, when will I receive it. It's telling me that shipping times depend on my location, all that. So this particular order hasn't actually shipped out yet. So it says I don't have the tracking number. So if it was actually marked as fulfilled and shipped, the chatbot would be able to see that and give, the DHL, FedEx, whatever shipping company it's with, the tracking number, so the person can go follow that link and track it on the carrier website, just like any other package. So super, super convenient. In this case, it says, would you like me to connect you with a human for further assistance? So this is a really nice feature as well, where the chatbot is trying to see, is the customer getting frustrated? Is there not an easy answer to this solution? Is it more complex? And it offers to connect them with customer service without having to, pick up the phone, wait on hold, all of that, go through everything. And for simple inquiries where there is a tracking number or the chatbot can answer the person's question really easily, then it will. But for cases like this, where there isn't an easy answer, it connects them with customer service right away. So it's super convenient for both your customer and for you, because your team doesn't have to handle every single part of an inquiry or the easiest inquiries that the chatbot can handle, and easy for your customer because this chatbot works 24/7 and it can help them with those simple questions. But yeah, that's how easy it is to enable order tracking to serve your customers super fast 24/7. If you have any questions about order tracking or any other feature of Jotform Shopify AI Agents, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more Jotform tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!